Hey, Jay Grams here from the Volo Auto Museum. Got another great car for sale today, a 1962 Olds Dynamic 88. It has a pretty interesting story. We just bought it from a woman. Her parents bought this car brand new. They owned it for quite a while and then they did sell it. She found the car in 2010, purchased it, had it restored and gave it to them as a gift. So anyway, we just purchased the car. It's got a neat story behind it. Let's take it for a spin and I'll tell you all I can about it. The body and paint speaks for itself. It looks as good here in person as it does there on your screen. It is slick, it is straight, the body gaps are pristine, there's no bubbling or cracking or issues. The paint is outstanding. I want to call it a 10, but I better not just in case I miss something, but this paint is slick. It's as nice as anything I have in the showroom. Beautiful color too, the original color. All the moldings and trim and emblems, bumpers, it's all in really great shape. Tail lights, that's a cool tail light by the way. All that's nice. Look at the gaps on the trunk. A little extra trim here for the fuel door. The white convertible top is pristine. There's not even creases in the plastic top. Looks like the interior is very good, original, probably new carpets, but the seats are really nice. Door panels look like they're new. Dash is really nice. I had the car up on the lift yesterday and the floors are really good and solid. Big 394 motor, power steering, power brakes. It's been cleaned up very nice. When you look in here, it's tidy, it's proper, everything's the way it should be. Runs real smooth too. I will be starting it up in a minute. And you can go to volocars.com if you want to see all the pictures, pricing, specs. We'll have pictures underneath the car. And you'll see a couple hundred other collector cars as well. I'm going to start it up. See, it runs real smooth. Put this top down. The top framework is all painted real nice too. It's got new weather strips. That run nice. Got seat belts front and back. You got the convertible top boot stuck in there. There we go. It's a good looking car, big car too. Just clears in our turntable here. And very nice cruiser, nice big convertible. So again, go to volocars.com. There's an icon in your top right of the screen. You can click on it, takes you right to this car. You get all the specs and pricing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're posting a few videos a day now, and we're going to keep making them better, and we're getting better and better cars. If you have any questions, sales@volocars.com, or you can call 815-385-3644. The only thing I forgot to do is pop the trunk, so I'll do that. Those are cool tail lights, like I said. They look even cooler lit up. We have financing available. We ship cars around the world. So whatever you need help with, insurance. It's a huge trunk. It's clean. It's all sprayed. It has a spare tub with some extra parts. But that's it. There you have it. Let us know how we can help put this in your driveway, in your garage if it's big enough.